Welcome back to our iMonitor tutorial video series. In this session, we'll explore the XTEND functionality, which lets you extend your display for guidance or the ISOBUS Universal Terminal on a mobile device like a smartphone or tablet. To use XTEND, you must activate a license and enable access to the functionality. To do this, go to System, Features, Console and enable XTEND. This setting will remain active until manually changed. After enabling XTEND, you can connect your mobile device to the iMonitor. If your tractor has a CTM modem for SDF fleet management or data traffic, you can use the tractor's built-in Wi-Fi network or insert a USB Wi-Fi dongle on the backside of the iMonitor. The status of the wireless hotspot can be checked in the iMonitor via System, Wi-Fi Setup. If needed, you can enable and also rename the network. Next, go to System Setup and assign a console name, which will appear when connecting your mobile device. Once saved, these settings don't need to be adjusted again. As a final step, download the XTEND app on your mobile device from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open the XTEND app, join your tractor's Wi-Fi network, and select your iMonitor from the list. Confirm the connection notification on the iMonitor screen. You can now choose to display either the guidance view or the ISOBUS Universal Terminal on your mobile device. The guidance view enhances your display capabilities in multiple ways. Thanks to it, you can display the guidance map at different zoom levels or display different map layers, such as applied rates for multiple tanks on both the iMonitor and your mobile device. When using the ISOBUS Universal Terminal instead, you can not only view but also directly control the implement. This feature enables real-time adjustments while being at the implement outside the cab, offering great convenience for tasks like calibration or adjustments. Both options maximize your viewable area, enhancing control and monitoring. When XTEND isn't needed, you can easily switch off the app and remove the tablet from the holder. To activate XTEND, you'll need to purchase the license. The dealer can assist by either activating it for you or providing a USB with the license code. To activate manually, go to System, Features, Licenses, insert the USB, select the update option and confirm. Alternatively, you can manually enter the license code by selecting Unlicensed in the status column. That wraps up our XTEND feature tutorial. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using your iMonitor.